If a CNC router could talk, I am a tool change or machining center. I can slotting, drilling, and engraving. I can switch between various processes easily, saving time, effort, and labor. I am a saw blade shaft. I can cut the plate like this, very fast. I am a horizontal axis. I can work like this. I'm good at side drilling. I am the rotary axis. I can work like this. I'm good at cylindrical carving. I am a swing head. I can work like this. I'm good at curved surface carving. I am a drilling machine. I can work like this. I'm good at drilling on the wood board.